Hello fam, back at it again. April 21st, 9:48 p.m. Learned about hash tables today. I do want to go back to the question yesterday, which is time taken to buy tickets or something. The Q question. Um, Tickets. Ticket? This. This motherfucking question. Took me 2 days to figure out. Okay, so, but now I have it. So, so for the um so if so for the people that are in front of K, the max number of tickets you can get are the minimum between right? Because once you loop it back, because like if people in front have more tickets than K, then the person at K will finish buying all the tickets before that person at I gets all of their tickets, right? And if let's say the person is in front of K and he gets less tickets than K, then he will fuck off before K gets more tickets than gets all their tickets. Um, right. So this should be correct. Else, else this would be minimum of K and tickets I minus one because people after K can buy at most um the number of tickets that let's say that this is five, then K will get all their tickets before these guys get their tickets, right? So okay, yeah, this should be right. And then what am I looking at here? Return seconds, right? Let's see, let's try. Oopsies. No. Or K minus one. K minus one, right? Yeah. Because you can get at most four. Like let's say this is six, then you can at most get four, right? Yeah, 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 that's right. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. I understand it. Okay, let's do a hash table question. A hash table Okay, two sum, classic. This one I've done before, so I would not count this. Okay, I will make, I remember how to do this thing. And let's call it map, right? For in I equals to 0, I is smaller than nums dot size plus plus I. If nums I map does not contain num I, no, 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 no. I should be looking for, I should be looking for this in the map, right? If it does contain that, then I return I and map complement, right? Else, target minus 2, and it does not contain that, then I'll append 7 to the map in this. Maybe this? Three, append 4 and 1. Turn zero. Thanks. Right. I think that's right. Okay. Is there a better way? Three, four is no good. Does this make it quicker? Oh, it looks like this does make it quicker by a little bit. Sure. Okay, let's do another one because that one I've done before. Let's go to. And side note, today's internet is so shit at my crib. I don't know why. So frustrating. Let's do majority element. Do we want to do majority element? Fuck it. Let's go with the majority. Let's go majority element. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. Okay, that doesn't seem too difficult. So, for in n in nums, what you want to do is frequency of n plus plus, right? And then you want to return, uh, what do I return max of a match? I don't actually know how to do this. Oh, Jesus. Shout out to Dark Reader, man. Saving eyes out there. What is it? Um, Now I have to look up what the biggest. mm, I can't iterate through it. Um, but that would not be linear time. I can do it. Mm. Does that give me the key? Does this give me the key? Or does that give me the does iterator of return key? I don't actually know this way. This might return the max, like it might return the frequency. Like what? Like that? Like that? Probably like that. That? Like that? Ah, okay. I don't really know how the syntax works for the iterators and shit. Um, okay, I think this works, but it's not linear time. And it's not one space. Oh, it's wrong. Why is that wrong? Right. Put into trash solution. Um, yeah, I don't know how to do this. Let's see. Sorting. I just love it. Um, and go nums dot my sort nums dot begin nums dot end, and then I can return nums dot size divided by two. That is very clever. Um, we need to do that. Okay. Yes. Here. Okay. Um, Hash map. That's what I want to know. The intuition behind using a hash map. Okay, so this would be like optimal solution, right? Because this is O1 with a sort, ON with a sort, and then random access to O1. Sure. Yeah, and then it's another iteration. This is the one that I did, which is poor, I guess. Yeah. I mean, we did it. We did it, but could be better. Let's do another one. Let's go for another one. Another one. Let's go for fucking. Okay, this is low key bait because let's say for the question just now, like I don't actually need to use a hash table, nor is it the optimal solution either. So, like, this is kind of misleading, you know? So sometimes I have to just pick a random question and do it. And that's a skill set that I need for interviews as well, right? Like, I need to have the skill of picking the right tool and the right data structure and algorithm for the given question. And this is just for practice sake, I feel. They're just for practice sake. Um, yeah. So when I'm actually looking for a job and grinding for like grinding lead code for a job, I would practice it the way that I just mentioned it. So pick a random question and see what tools fit that question the most. Because this way it gives me a bias, which is not good. Let's see. There is a malfunctioning keyboard where some letter keys do not work. All other keys on the keyboard work properly. Some letter keys do not work. All other keys work properly. Given a string text of words separated by a single space and a string broken letters. Okay. 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 I feel like the way to do this is separate them by words. Separate them by words and then a count. Um, yeah, yeah. I don't know how to separate this though. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to deal with that. Um, I guess I can do string two, and then for sidebar text dot size plus plus I, and then if text I is not equals to space, then what you would do is string one dot push, and I'll push into a string. Else, nah, this is so stupid. There has to be a smarter way to separate by a space. That's not something that I'm going to tackle today. Whatever, bro. 2 out of 3. Let's see this. Return a distinct array containing all the values that are present in at least 2 out of the 3 arrays. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. Ooh, da, 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 da. I'm thinking iterating through the number of small, like the smallest array, but that wouldn't really work. I have num1 map, num2 map, num3 map, and then what do I do? Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. Down deep inside, I feel it too. Tonight, tonight, tonight. Joa! I'm thinking using a set to count. Um, I compare one, two, two, three, and then one, three, something like that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. What was it? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It is totally fine. Let's do an easy one first. What the fuck? Okay, I'm thinking if I should use RGB as keys or should I use the digits as keys? So I should go something like that. Rod should be int bool. There's math for an I, and if R, then I'm gonna flip the switch on. Something like that. Should be something like that. Excuse me. There ain't no distance between us. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Let's see if this is right first. Math 0, for example. What would this give me? Not pointer. No. Key with multiple values. Does that work? Multi-map? Fuck is a multi-map, dog. So use the vector instead. Vector map. Right? 10 elements. Vector that takes bool, bool, bool. Does that make sense? That makes sense. I really don't know. I really don't know. I really don't really know. I feel like it's something like this though. Vectors of bool. Let's do that. Title map dot size. Map I is true, right? I don't know if this works. Probably doesn't. Yeah. Um, how do I do that? Oh, it's a vector of vector bools. Ah, ah. Does that make sense? And then what it should be initialized to is false, false, false. Does that work? Remember that? Fuck. Ah, oops. That's what it should have been. Maybe no. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh no, it should be 10. Right? It should be 10. Yeah, because there are 10 rods. Um, man, what? Why is this wrong? Excuse me. It's B. I plus 1 brings 1, which is 0, of 2. I'm doing something wrong here. I am definitely doing something wrong here. Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. Ooh. I get the idea, but I don't know how to implement it. I don't know how to implement it. I don't know how to implement it. How do I do this? Um, I don't know. I'm gonna look at a solution. Bit mask. What? What the fuck? There ain't no distance between us. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Right, that's what I thought as well. You reverse it. Um, I'm gonna ask AI. What's wrong with this? There ain't no distance between there. Ba, 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 ba. I want to eat some McDonald's, to be honest. By the way, my computer is running a hotspot right now. Isn't that crazy if you really think about it? Insane stuff. Absolutely insane stuff. Now show me the money. Show me the money. The money. Show me the money. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Really? Does it work? Oh my! Oh my! Oh my goodness. So it does work. So my solution does work. It's just this. I fucked this up. Oh my God. And it's a pretty quick solution as well. Damn. O N and O one. It's deep down inside. I feel it too. Tonight. This one I understand. This one I understand. This would be what Fonzo, I think. Or yep, yep. How to iterate through in math though? And that's 5 equals to 3. And then plus now. And with that, hmm, This I don't really get. This I don't really get. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? This shouldn't make a difference. What was different? Let's see. Fair enough. Fair enough. This is hash map solution. And then lastly, the bit solution I would never have thought of. So there's no need to do this. Okay, I was very close. I want to run this again to see if it's actually that good. It's not actually that good. In fact, it's pretty bad. What about this one? Actually, pretty good. The fuck? Okay, let's see. Well, it might be a bit more anal, but it's pretty good, I guess. Mm. This is what I fucked up. Um, yeah, I have to minus 0 to get the correct indexing for the because it's a character, not an integer. Okay, well, that's it for today. We will continue tomorrow. So we did two today, I think, right? Yeah. Two sums doesn't count. Times doesn't count. But we did this one rings and rods, and we also did the other one, which was which one? Which was rings and rods, and we also did majority. Was it majority? It was majority, right? Yeah, I think it was majority. Where's the majority one? It was not this. What? Did we not do this? Yeah, we did do this. Why is it bugged? Yeah, okay, so majority element. Um, this is my own solution, right? So, you can see it's pretty trash. Absolutely garbage. Well, the sort one is even more garbage, though. So what's going on there? Memory wise, it's doing much better. Runtime wise, it's doing much worse. I don't know. Yeah, this part, yeah, I don't know what's going on here either. This one I just guessed, but it worked. Not good. Not good. Need to learn how to use these iterator bullshit. The CPP reference, learn CPP iterator. Fun fact, learncpp.com actually put me on dark reader, so shout out. It's like here, right? Um, yeah, I'll look at this. I feel like this is something that I have to look at because this is not good. I don't know what's going on here. Um, yeah, the sort one is it's the most straightforward answer. It makes a lot more sense. Um, in the job, you'll probably do this as well. So here, anyways, I think that's it for now. I think non-inverted list. I'll just add this. And this is non-inverted. Yeah, 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 yeah. This does not. This does. Wait, what? No, no, no. That's not what I want. It's like, no, 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 no. I say configure toggling, right? Okay. So whenever let's say go to lead code, and this on, right? So I just do this, turn it off. Right, okay. Okay, that's cool. Turn it back off. Nice. Okay. Anyways, I'll call that a day here. Okay. Goodbye. See you. See you tomorrow.